Good morning, students. Welcome back to GK class. Today we are going to discuss another chapter of GK, and the name of the chapter is an abbreviation. So what do you mean by an abbreviation? Abbreviation is a shortened form of written word or phrase. An abbreviation may be used to save space and time or to avoid repetition of long words and phrases. So let's start and discuss some important abbreviations. Yes, students. First abbreviation, that is NITI. NITI stand for full form of NITI, National Institution for Transforming India. And this policy stands for is a policy think tank of the Government of India established with the aim to achieve sustainable development. Niti Ayog is developing with the necessary resources, knowledge and skills that will also promote research and innovation and provide strategic policies. Yes, student. Next abbreviation, that is PMAY. PMAY means Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is an initiative by Government of India in which affordable housing will be provided to the urban poor with a target of building 20 million affordable houses by March 2022.
Next abbreviation FSSAI, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Food Safety and Standard Authority of India has been established under food safety and standard and handle food related issues in various ministries and departments. Next abbreviation, that is DRDO. DRDO stands for Defense Research and Development Organization. The Defense Research and Development Organization is an agency under the Department of Defense Research and Development in the Ministry of Defense of the Government of India, charged with the Ministry Research and Development, headquartered in Delhi, India. Next abbreviation, that is BARC. BARC stands for Baba Atomic Research Center. The Baba Atomic Research Center is India's nuclear research facility headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. BARC is a research center with advanced research and developing covering the entire of nuclear science, engineering and related areas. Control for Cricket in India. The Board of Control for Cricket in India is the governing body for cricket in India, and the board was formed in December 1928 as a society. Next abbreviation, that is CAG. CAG stand for Controller and Auditor General of India. Controller and Auditor General of India, its primary role is to audit all the expenditure of central government, state government and organization which are financed by the government. Yes, next is CBI. CBI stand for Central Bureau of Investigation. The Central Bureau of Investigation is a premier investigating agency of India operating under the jurisdiction. Jurisdiction meaning the official power to make legal decision and judgment of the Ministry of Home Affairs. Next abbreviation, that is CID. CID stands for Crime Investigation Department. A crime inspection department is a branch of the State Police Service of India responsible for the investigation of crime based on the Criminal Investigation Department of British Police Forces. Next is CVC. CVC stand for Central Vigilance Commission. What do you mean by vigilance? Vigilance means is the state of being watchful or alert for danger or some kind of trouble. Or you can say the quality or state of being wakeful and alert. So Central Vigilance Commission is an apex Indian governmental body created in 1964 to address governmental corruption. Next abbreviation that is EVM. EVM stands for electronic voting machine. The full form of EVM is an electronic voting machine. EVM is an electronic device used to record votes. Next is IMA. IMA stands for Indian Military Academy. The Indian Military Academy is an officer training academy of the Indian Army in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Next abbreviation that is FIR. FIR stands for First Information Report. A first information report is a document prepared by the police when they receive the information, and it is a report of information that reaches the police first in point of time, and that is why it is called the first information report. Yes, last abbreviation that is FCI, Food Corporation of India. FCI stand for the Food Corporation of India. It's a government body in India that deals with purchase, sale and distribution of food grains across the country, and its vision is to ensure food security for citizens of the country. So students, I hope you must have enjoyed the video. Please read all the abbreviation and revise it. Thank you and have a nice day.